Glowforge allows you to make products as soon as you open up the box. Hi, my name is Holsten, and I'm the founder of Mosaic Expressions, a Glowforge-powered company. I make products for people to repeatedly customize the shape, the color, and texture of what they have. I really like being able to tap into the mindset I had as a kid and when I played with Legos and Tinker Toys and paper and scissors in order to really just explore my creativity. And that's what I hope to bring out in my products, and that is something that I feel that Glowforge does theirs. This is where my Glowforge lives. It is surrounded by scrap material made from numerous prototyping and experimentation with different shapes for the product variations I've made over time. I have made something unique that inspires others to be creative and expressive, and I'm really glad for that opportunity.